What is up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. So today I'm going to tell you the features and tips and tricks of the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5i. So let's get started. The number one thing I'm going to tell you in this laptop is you have an inbuilt Lenovo app, and this is called the Lenovo Vantage. And yes, there are a lot of features of this app. The best thing it does is it helps in performance and security check. So you can basically scan your PC anytime, anywhere, and see how your PC is performing, how is it working. You can boost your internet performance. You can help to delete all the viruses. So yes, this app is actually very good and very helpful. It is easy, fast, and safe. Now the second feature of this laptop is in the settings app. So here in Windows Update, you can go and easily update your laptop, and you know what? You can even check from Windows Insider program that your PC is compatible or not with Windows 11. So if you will just press on get started, it will tell you to register the program and all that stuff, and from here you can see if your laptop is supported or not, and can this laptop run Windows 11 or not. So yeah, that is also very nice. This laptop supports Dolby Atmos audio, so if you want to listen to songs or sounds, this laptop is going to be amazing for that. Let me just open YouTube and play one song and show you guys what I'm talking about. See, so let's just play and see how will the speakers work. This is on 60% volume. So this is, by the way, the Dolby Atmos test as well. So let's see how it works. And yeah, let's get started. Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping. As you guys can see, the speaker is fantastic, and if you want to listen this song in like 100% volume, let us just do that. 100% volume, and let's see how loud it gets. Let's go. So one thing I can say, the treble is incredible. I mean, outstanding. You can't get better than this. The bass, the treble of this laptop is just outstanding, incredible. There's nothing you can do to reduce it. I mean, it's amazing. Now, one more feature about this laptop which I love, and that is the speed up charging. I mean, quick charging. And here you can even see your battery details, so that is amazing. And yes, again, this app comes in to help the Lenovo speed charging or whatever, the Lenovo device app, and it shows you the laptop is charging, it shows you the temperature, and it shows you how much watt the power is going on. I mean, yeah, it's like 26.66 watt, and this is the design capacity, and it shows a lot of information about the laptop. And look at that, it's from 14 to 15. That's how fast it charges. Guys, believe me, this laptop charges very fast. I mean, it's so good in terms of charging and using it while charging. No problem, no heating at all. Now, if you want to check your system requirement and specifications, there is one way. Either you can go here and press in properties. It will show you the properties. This is the i5 11 gen. It is clocked at 2.4 gigahertz, 64-bit, and it has Windows 2020 H2 version, and I think it will support Windows 11. What do you guys think, it will support or not? Tell me in the comments below. Now let me just show you one very nice and incredible thing about this laptop, and that is you get every app of MS Office, which is amazing. I mean, you know what, a lot of people were asking about this, and it is there. Every MS Office, MS Word, every app is free here. So yeah, you can use it, and it's like forever license. Don't worry about it, just use it. Now in settings, there are a lot of features and a lot of things you can do. You can customize it, you can but there is one thing I want to test, and that is, will this display support SDR or not? And the answer to that is, well, I don't think so. Actually, I don't know. It just shows here SDR display, so I don't know it supports SDR or not. but I mean still 60 hertz, and it is a 8-bit color display, RGB 1080p. And you know what, this display is very good. Let me just show you some content, then you will get a better idea. And yes, we will also do a brightness test. So let's just do a brightness test. Open Google and I will show you how to test the brightness. So let me just okay, where is it? Yeah, let me just decrease the brightness to the lowest. This is the minimum brightness you can get. It's like so dim. Then just increase it. Okay, this is the 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now at 10, this is the max brightness you can get with this laptop, and to be honest, it's just so good. I mean, this display is so sharp, so good. And you know what, the brightness is incredibly amazing. Now in this max brightness, I'm going to show you a video where you will get to know its quality, how well the display actually is. And let's just see some YouTube videos at like this thing. Okay, this is cinematic stuff. Let's see how well the brightness actually looks. This, my friend, is in the highest brightness. And yes, it is a YouTube video by some creator, so I'm not taking any credit. This is just the display test of how well this laptop shows up the display, how well the colors are, how crisp it is. And to be honest, if you closely look at the black levels, like this top bezel and this bezel, it is completely black. Even though it's not an AMOLED panel, it is completely black, and that is just good. I mean, wow, that is amazing. So without even an AMOLED panel, Lenovo has tried to make this display as good as they can. The display is just simply amazing, mind-blowing. And yes, CR7 skills are also amazing. I love this man. Amazing footballer. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. But overall, as far as I think, this laptop's display is just so good. I mean, very very nice. It's very sharp and crisp also. As you guys can see, it's very crisp. You can see the details in Ronaldo's forehead on all that stuff. Wow, that's an amazing header. All right, if I'm going to see this, it's going to I'm going to watch the whole video. So the main point of saying this is, this display is actually an amazing display. Now I'm decreasing the brightness for the camera to match and work. So yeah, the main point is, this display is very good, amazing, no problem, without a doubt. It's amazing. Okay, the display is amazing, but what about the storage? Okay, this also has a very nice storage. I mean, it is an NVMe SSD. Now if you want to check all of the things it has, or which motherboard you are using and all that stuff, there is a way which is very easy. This is the CPUZ side, and from here you can easily download this. So let me just download Setup Plus English. And you know what, with this you will be able to see every information of your PC, like how is your PC working, and I mean what is there, how many GB of RAM, which motherboard, and what is the clock speed of the RAM, and everything you will ever need you will be able to see with this. So let's just install, and you will also get an idea of how fast it actually installs stuff, because yeah, to be honest, it's very fast. I mean, yeah, this is just the fastest laptop. Okay, here you go. The CPUZ is installed, the Redmi is even opened, and let's open the laptop CPUZ. Let's go. As you guys can see, this is the CPUZ, and let me just zoom in a little bit so that you guys will get a better idea of how well everything is in this laptop. There you go, i5. all right, it has i5 11 gen. Okay, then it has a lot of nice features. First of all, the clock speed is very good. I just love it. And now you can go in catches, you can go in motherboard, you can know which Lenovo is the manufacturer of the motherboard. It supports PCI Express 4.0, amazing stuff going on there. It has 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and it has dual channel RAM. So actually dual channel RAM is better. Then in graphics, you can get to know about the MX415, also about the Intel Iris X. So that is amazing. It's not just showing one graphic card, it shows 2 graphic cards. And that's true because this laptop has 2 graphic cards. So it's nice that it is showing these things. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. What do you think of this video? If you like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I will be making more videos about it soon, and you will be loving it. So what do you think? That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.